Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
We have been conducting tenant verification time to time through our BT staff as well as through the requests which we receive from the citizens. But we have seen in a few cases where the people who have allowed tenants, they have not filled up their details and given to the police stations. Taking advantage of such a situation, there have been cases where people have committed crime and tried to escape from the place. This was also one such case, and I would appeal to all people to compulsorily fill the tenant verification forms which are available on Goa police website also, and send it to the local police station. That will help us in our zeal, in our efforts for providing a better environment, safe and secure environment to people of Goa.
भाड्याक रावता तांचे टेनंट व्हेरिफिकेशन सक्तीचें. सगळ्यांनी व्हेरिफिकेशन करपाकूच जाय म्हूण SP ची सादुरकायेची शिटकावणी. हे केशींत खंय टेनंट व्हेरिफिकेशन करूंक नाशिल्लें.
We gathered some clues, and the scooty which was missing from the scene of offence was also later on traced to Askopoli railway station. However, there was no much details available about the missing laborers in the family, victim family. But through our sustained efforts, we developed local intelligence and we gathered some clues. Based on technical analysis and local intelligence, we traced the location of the suspects in the area of Dadar-Mumbai. Accordingly, a team was sent immediately, and with the help of our counterparts in Mumbai, that is the local police, we were able to intercept them and we apprehended them, and they are being brought to Goa. They will be reaching shortly. And these three were employed by the victim family, and they were residing in their backyard, and they have confessed to the gruesome murder, and further details will follow after they are properly interrogated and further investigation is conducted.
Name, sir?
Their names are Akash, Aditya and Rabin. They are 20 years and 18 years of age respectively. Two are from Jharkhand and one is from Bihar.
खुनाची खंय तिगांनी कबुली दिल्या. सुत्रां सांगतात ते प्रमाण कितले म्हयने पगार घालूंक ना म्हूण खंय तांणी हें कर्म केलें. मात पुलीस ते विशीं अधिकृत कांयच उलोवंक तयार ना. प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस.